everyone, we're here today to find out more information about the Scholars Programme at Cardiff and Vale College. So Emma, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi there, I'm Emma Williams. I'm one of the Scholars Tutor here at Cardiff and Vale College, and I'm here to talk to you about the Scholars Programme.
Hi Emma, would you like to start by telling us a little bit more then about the programme?
Sure. So the programme is an excellent opportunity for learners to gain the skills and knowledge and support that's needed in order to progress onto the most prestigious higher education institutions, both in the UK and internationally.
Could you tell me more then, Emma, about the qualification that a Scholars student would study alongside their A-levels?
Of course. So as part of the Scholars Programme, our learners will study the Cambridge Pre-U qualification in Global Perspectives, which is a qualification which covers all of today's topical issues that are going on in the world right now and aims to harvest the critical thinking skills of our learners in order to progress onto university level learning. Due to that, learners will not be studying the Welsh BAC qualification. This acts as a qualification instead of that, traditionally studied alongside 3 to 4 A-level subjects within our A-level department.
Okay, thank you, Emma. So typically, who is the Scholars Programme designed for?
So our Scholars Programme is aimed at learners who have demonstrated academic excellence in their GCSEs. This is usually in the form of 4 A grades or more at GCSE, and also have an interest in obviously progressing onto qualifications at university level and are usually aiming for the most prestigious universities and most competitive qualifications such as Oxbridge, potentially things like medicine or dentistry, all of these places which are extremely competitive to go to and to study, and that's what our learners are generally aiming for as part of this programme.
Okay, so if somebody's watching this video now and is interested in the Scholars Programme, how and when would they apply for it?
So they express their interest as part of enrolment in August. So after they've received their GCSE results, they come to Cardiff and Vale College in order to enrol with us, ready for the new academic year. They express their interest then. They can do that when they're filling out the paperwork or to an actual lecturer. And then we take their names and we will have an informal interview process at the beginning of the academic year. That informal interview is basically just a chat to kind of work out whether it's going to fit well with their other subjects, whether it's something that they will enjoy and will be able to help them with their future aspirations.
Okay, cool. Is there a student success story that you'd like to share with us?
Yes, absolutely. So we've had quite a few students over the last 2 years go on to study medicine and dentistry. We also have a student this year who was part of the Seren Network and the Sutton Trust, which are networks that we work very closely with here at Cardiff and Vale College, and because they work with the most academic successful students in Wales. And this student is going to be going to the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, to study at NYU, and she's going to major in law. And she was very keen to go abroad and go to a university, not in the UK, but in order to have a completely different university experience, somewhere completely new, and she's hoping one day to become a lawyer in America.
Wow, that's fantastic. Thanks for talking to me this afternoon, Emma. If you'd like to know more information about the Scholars Programme or A-levels at Cardiff and Vale College, if you visit cavc.ac.uk/virtual open day, you can watch more videos related to A-levels. You can ask tutors questions directly as well. So we look forward to speaking and seeing you again soon.